Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, as you guys can see from the title, I'll be trying on some TEMU wigs. I got about 3 wigs from TEMU and from different brands, which I'm gonna be trying on, and then give you guys my my honest review about those wigs. So let's unbox the wigs which I got. So guys, let's unbox the wigs which I got, and then I'll be installing the wigs. These are normally wear and go wigs, so you don't have too much work to do on the wigs. You just wear and then you're good to go. So I have about 3 of the wigs which we'll be trying on. So this is the first wig. This is the first wig, which is it's a kinky straight human hair wig. I got this other wig. It's a body wave with bangs. I'll give you guys a detail about the wig when I'm talking about the wig. So it's a body wave with bangs. And then the last wig, I love the packaging of this wig. It's from Hunnies hair. So but this is a bob wig. Oh wow. It's a bob wig and it's also a human hair wig. So these are the 3 wigs I'll be giving my review about. I'll install the wig and then give you guys my review about these wigs. These are the wigs we'll be talking about, and I'll be giving you my review about these wigs, guys. So I think I'll go with start with this first, with the body wave. So guys, for the first wig I'll be trying on is this body wave with bangs, and it's a human hair. This wig, it's from Soul Lady. The wig is in 16-inch. I got this wig for $41.74, as you can see. And what I will say about the wig is it's good for the price. It's a human hair wig and it's soft. It's so soft, guys. It's so soft. It's so soft. So I think it's good for the price. So let me wear it and then show you guys how it's gonna look on me. Let's take this out and then go with this. And it came with some side combs, as you can see. Came with some side combs and this elastic band can be adjusted to fit your head. So let's go with the wig. Guys, as you can see, you don't have so much work to do on this wig. It's very easy. I think the only work is for you to adjust the bangs on your head to suit your face. Very easy wear and go wig. You just need to adjust your bangs, and I think that's the only work you have on this wig, and that's just it. And it's very affordable for the one $41.47. Guys, let's flat iron the bangs and then you see this. When you're doing this, you have to be careful not to burn yourself. As you see, the band is still not adjusted. I need to Look at how the wig is changing. Go my flat iron and then flat iron the bangs again. You have to be careful, please, when doing this. Guys, look at this wig. Can you tell me this is $41? Look at it. It's a good wig, guys. I will not lie. It's a good wig. So you can check TEMU out for this wig. This wig is from the brand is Soul Lady. So you can check it out from TEMU. $41, guys. $41. So that's just all. You don't have to do anything. No glue, no spray, no holding spray. Wear and you're good to go. As you can see, and that's the final result of the wig. Love it. So good, so good. And also, this is not a sponsored video. I just got the wigs and then I decided to try it on and give you guys my honest review about this wig. So that's the final look. So the second wig, so for the second wig I'll be trying on is this wig. So this is a Kinky. So this is a Kinky straight human hair wig. Also wear and go. As you can see, it's a 5x5 closure wig. As you can see, they've done the work already. And this wig is from Najo. The brand name is Najo. It's just for you to wear and you're good to go and style the wig in whichever way you want to style it. And for the wig, it also came with an elastic band in it. You can adjust it to put your head, and also some side combs. I think just this comb at the back, and then with this elastic band to adjust the wig. As you can see, I have no work to do on this wig. The lace, as you can see, is already cut. No work to do. It's just to style this wig. I think only to flat iron the wig, and then I'm good to go and style it on myself. Kinky straight. I got this wig for $60.48. This is $60.48, guys. And the wig is 26 inch. This is 26 inch. Look at 26 inch, guys. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to be putting this wig on the mannequin head. Then I'm gonna flat iron the wig and then wait for you guys to see. It's a good wig, guys. It's a good wig. 26 inch. Look at the lace. You don't have any work to do on this wig. Look at the lace, the closure. So let's head to the mannequin head and then flat iron the wig a little bit, and then I'll be trying on the wig for you guys to see. I'll be applying the wax stick and then go with my hot comb, then before I iron the wig. So I'll go with my flat iron and then flat iron the wig. So guys, as I'm flat ironing the hair, I'm going alongside with it with this argan oil. It gives it some shine. Just spray on the wig, gives it some shine. So guys, I'm done flat ironing the wig. Look at the final look of the wig. I'm done with flat ironing the wig, so I'm gonna install the wig, then you see how it's gonna look on me. I think for the lace, I'm gonna be, cutting out some lace. Okay. I'll be going with my wax stick. Just go with my hot comb. So guys, you can style this wig in whichever way you want to style it. You can do the middle part, you can do the side part, and also for the lace you can go with your makeup to to apply a makeup so it matches your skin. And so that's just it for this week, guys, and that's the final look. And I'll say the wig is good. It's a human hair and it has a good texture. It's a good wig. Okay, so for the last wig I'll be talking about, so the last wig I'll be talking about is this wig from Hunnies, the brand Hunnies. And for the wig, I'll say I love, first of all, the packaging of the wig. It's really good. So the wig came with a wig cap, Hunnies HD wig cap, as you can see, and also it came with this adjustable elastic band. Wow, I love the packaging, guys. And it came with some press-on nails and then melting band, elastic melting band. And then this is the wig. This is a bob wig. Came with the wig, has just this the comb at the back and this elastic band, and it came with an extra elastic band to adjust the wig. And for this wig, this is a 7x5 closure wig. It's a 7x5 closure wig. I love the lace. It's already worked on. You don't have to do anything. As you can see, it just matches my skin tone. I don't have to apply any makeup or anything. Look at. It's a bob wig in 12-inch. This is 12-inch and I got this wig for $66. This is $66, guys. And it's really human hair. It's so soft. And also I'll be working on the wig by putting it on the mannequin head and then flat iron the wig and then install the wig, so you see the final result of the wig. I really love the packaging of the wig and also the detailing of this wig. Really nice. Look at the lace. You don't have to do any work on the lace, as you can see. So guys, let's flat iron the wig, then I'll install the wig for you guys to see. I have flat iron the wig and this is how it's looking now, as you can see. So guys, let's install the wig. As you can see, guys, zero work to do. You just have to just flat iron the wig and then you're good to go. I'm going with some hot comb and then look at this wig, guys. Zero work, no glue, no spray, and easy peasy. You just need just your hot comb and your flat iron with your hair wax, and that's all. So guys, I did when I had to off camera, I cut out the excess lace. As you can see, it's more flawless. Just look at how the wig turned out. Look at how good the wig is, guys. Look at, I'm loving this wig, guys. I'm loving this wig for from Eunice. So good. If I'm to shop more wigs from Temu, definitely I'm checking more wigs from the Eunice brand. Lightweight. I'm loving this wig. I'm loving this wig, guys. I'm loving it, I won't lie. And so, guys, this is the final look of the wig. I'm loving this wig, I won't lie. Very lightweight. So good, guys. So good, guys. So good. So this is the end of the video. So if you like all the wigs I have tried on, and I'll be leaving the link of all the wigs down in the description box. So if you want to check any of the wig, you can just hit the link in my description box and it's going to take you straight to each of the week. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. And if you're watching my video for the first time, please hit that subscribe button and please turn on the bell notification so that each time I upload a video, you get notified. Bye guys, and see you guys in my next video. Stay blessed, you guys.